Hello, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Just a short message to Anu Ajose. Good evening to all Monica fans, Mommy P fans, and Mommy P herself. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I just want to send this short message to Anu Ajose, the useless she-goat. I saw, like I said earlier, I don't know that I don't even talk. So now yesterday I be one one, but the day everywhere was so tight. So now I could do the video, the short message now. So I saw a video where my gallant people where they operate a Aproko commenter page where they share. Or maybe as Lolo day life or the earlier, but I saw a video when she make when Adam so Lolo Anu just say Lolo gbu ohun we Lolo yan mi o kan wa agbe o igwe we ne kpunye we na we no gboto for days one am shifted sit at na agbe wa we alaribe no o wa agbo. Okay, like I said earlier, I saw the video on that gallant page, which is a Aproko commenter. So as I see, so everybody they sleep. Everybody they sleep. Who they make love, they make love. Who pull his head for your husband chest, pull his head for your husband chest. Who the video call where a partner they far. Who the video call they play love with a partner. So I know I've just said decide to come at the middle of the night, not even middle. At least I think it was early morning, like 1 or 2, something like that. I know I just came at start talking trash. Like what she was saying was really rubbish. You understand? She was really saying a trash rubbish, like I said. Okay, where did she come at now? At the end, no title. Monica. No, you know who mentioned Monica, but you will know that she was referring to her head, to her useless family. Now so thief. He husband taxi driver. They say me go do taxi. The husband is doing service taxi. Che, what is the meaning of frustration? Is it by force when friendship end? Friendship end. Must you make fool of yourself? The Monica Omonomo say one of the universe, not be Netherlands again. I don't change her name to universe, which is all over the world. You dey crazy. You understand me? So, as you do reach, she not answer you recently, and I agree for what she thought. She decided to ignore you because you reach to ignore. You be fool. We will be her fans. I know. I be no one reply was saying that let's ignore this fool. Let's ignore the boss. Things they my mind. They my mouth to talk. You understand me? As Lady Monica doesn't no answer you. I sign her. I agree on it. Make sure not answer you because you know rich. Your life don't finish now. Look at the video you made which day? Let me say 3 days ago, day for yesterday, in the night, in the morning, early in the morning. You understand? Midnight, saying trash. While Monica was busy sleeping. Maybe online with her lovely husband, live video playing love, like they normally do, honey. You were doing, you were in live video. Your Alaribe there inside blanket, food there, like what do they call her? Ass boy. Where if you do, where they carry oga money to enter Europe. He did there, and you were on live video saying trash to a lady who already gallant finish, lady where God already bless finish. All what you were saying was all trash. To say they get meaning now, it was written all over you that you are in pain. You are in pain. It was was really written all over you, your face, and the way you talk, and the way that was coming out of your mouth, from your mouth. It all shows that you are in pain, that you are missing this lady. Like I said earlier, I don't say message to you some months ago. I said, if really they miss this lady, like me don't agree, because you be evil, you be snake, you be witch, you be wizard, and now God now go punish you. Say, if you know say they miss this lady, can't you just make a nice video to apologize for all what you have done, to apologize to me at least, even though someone not even come out to be friends again. But at least your heart go clear, because Monica not even send you. At least you go be rest of mind. How you don't come live video? Monica is a thief. You were a big thief. You were children. They do shoplift for everywhere. Where everybody know. You were a husband. They use the way Monica give your husband money. Make they do a Netherlands passport. Where they say God, na God do no matter what. He give and you don't enter. You understand me? You will not frustrate. You will not get anything for abroad. You not get for house, for which is Nigeria. You don't get nothing. Your frustration when you they put up for everybody body. When everybody come Europe, now you first me come this Europe. I come this Europe. I don't mess up myself. I'm a little kid. I'm a young lady. A family. I have my family too. And now here I for my family. Now here I for do everything. You understand me? I do for us, I do for you. Like I said earlier, I know they rent. Me and my husband, we buy house, yeah. You understand me? Early tell tonight day. Early. When I say early, I mean early. My husband, they work. Me, they work. You understand me? If my husband, but they come from work. We go exchange, me go take care of children, he go work. You understand me? With the work. You understand me? Government, they respect us. Anytime we get appointments, or maybe if they see us, our record clean. Because we have been working like me now. I mean, because I felt my husband still enter small. You understand me? Since when I entered this place, when I entered this country, I only stay for like, if I took say, like 8 months. Now, since when I entered this country, now 8 months, now I say, okay, man. Now, after 8 months, now they work on reach today. Early 30s, now a day. Initially, as I dey go school for year, now so I dey work part-time, they follow am more. Which is initially, as I dey work, I dey go school, I will still go language, because where I dey not be English speaking country. Go language school. I said go language school immediately. After that one, they go school. They go part time. Sometimes 3 times in a week. Sometimes 4 times in a week. So you know who reach a year and 5. You know who reach a year and some months. I started to do my full time up till now. You did there. They frustrate. You not plan your life when you use your earlier stage, years in this Europe, take smoke, cocaine, and clubbing. You don't use less your life finish. You want to put your frustration for person body. You call live video, they do your face like evil. They threaten. You they threaten Lady Monica. Even that video where you are not even watch and finish, because as I dey watch, I go say, I can't do video. I can't do this voice message for you. As I can say, I still listen too small. Now so I tell you listen, so tell I don't even reach out for fit. Where I procochet. I don't even know your end, how you take enter, because for the comment I hear say at the end you cough. Or your eye one fall for your eyeball, one fall for head. For your eye. No, so I can't read for comment say, hey, you don't see your life. Tuberculosis won't kill you. All because of waiting, because of Lady Monica. All because of say friendship. No. Now it make me like I talk, like I said, I always talk, and not be today they do live video, and not be today they do voice message. Friends, Izabo Amweji, you understand me? Izabo, I be small picking, yes, but I don't see what friends don't do people when near me. When I say when near me, I mean relative, even person, and when I say relative, I mean no be person wey near me gone. Now pretty friends don't do one. I don't see them. Friends now show that they put on. Once you make pen, I say your way not clear. They drop you back at the for ground. Later they go the store say, yeah, she took the phone. She go the phone say she be Oibo. She go the phone say she be. I know the phone. If now only 1 month, 2 months I take follow you play, I go just open my heart. But if I see say things want they get as it be before you perform that stupidity to me, I don't run. I don't feel shout. Now I started to live my life until now. And you understand me? Because I don't feel follows just this your waiting you do Lady Monica and I just confirm say you see what make me they run for friends. You do now. You all your evil trap where you they set they go. The lady continue to they jump and pass. The last one when you do now say before you do it go do you go frustrate. You not go feel come life video again. You go sin, you go do you at the end you do and you say I say God don't still save her. She don't still come out of the mess of your evil plans. She don't still come out. She's happy. You understand me? You not be like you where they say hatred won't kill you. No, on lips you can't dare. Your lips and your horse face where you lump your mouth come out there you can't dare. Nothing there your body again. If you don't they talk, it shows say you are in pain. Wait till Lady Monica do you. He said she don't want again. That is just the only thing. That is just the, according to you, the only mistake where she made. She don't want friendship again. Is it by force? Before thunder strike you, leave this lady alone. Wo be na you want me ho. When you hear that you a rubber of soup do a ho. Do appear when no I'm not bell backbone. Long clitoris. A video where but they don't care so but when I bear anybody where you get and not send down to me. I go blow on. I go put on for porn sites. But may you foresee a useless and nothing woman. Yeah, okay, by Netherlands. Now, before you come on me, I'll be the year. Before you come on for Netherlands, yeah, where clitoris, where ya pejita, no dance. Different me, yeah, moon, where clitoris, where pejita, we bed in one bell, wake ya bell. Done. Will be done. Evil person. Oh, who do you can't boy? You can't have visual, can't have a boy. Then they want to get the cousin I go seek you. Because our no way evil. We can't just keep quiet. That you keep doing this evil things toward this lady. Wanna bell backbone. I don't want to make this message too long. Wow. Will be. Oh, what? Let me marry for. Monica, when you go, Lady Monica say no want again. Go away. Stop threatening her life. Like a video you watch, which is the one where Aproko share a few days ago. Where they talk they go so. You were saying that you were still threatening her life. That means you want to take her life. Try rubbish. Make you try rubbish. May anything happen to this lady or any of I know say no go fit because God where they aside big. Make anything happen to this lady. If okay. Igyo wa when iya boy iya wa udege ma no gbe rin ati ukeke. Udege when ya perish. Your own go worst. Your own go worst. Wow. Wo be no mama. Agbe ko no tan soto. Wa gbe o. Wa vo da fun no wa na ipen. Wa ye wa we have video we ye filter your video the man still worst. Just imagine say if you video and without any filter and how it go be. You know when not boto as they garnish the marriage, if it still come out, it be like I don't know. Frustrated couple. Useless and nothing couple. Oga ma me gbọ́dọ̀ we oni ban. Oga ma me gbọ́dọ̀ we oni wa dio wa boli wa agaga mu ye Facebook. O da fon o da go da fon. Wa va fit egbe no mairo. Da fon ne ipen. Da fon ne kpuri. Da fon no mitan. No you na we no poto for many days. Wa gbe o. What they use that one they do? And na say, they say, Yahweh, you make you know. For me, you know they give the man to talk for because now people they fuck you now. As if say now those kokobiri go they fuck you now because we don't know. Nigerians don't know say you can fuck anything fuckable. Na kokobiri you content the garnish now. Maybe may for no may your secret for not queen no. Useless and nothing woman. Wa gbe wa threaten I wish I tin one bijua ho na no na o no lolo wa gbe o lolo gbu ohun wa na me lolo anu ajose eju kenu ye ni ute we na Netherlands the way Monica dey look you. No be Netherlands you dey again, na UK you dey. Few days ago, unwe be your way ne hwaso afi pege emanire UK. You know say UK people their head not theirs. Then go beat you finish, they go beat you, they go lip pant and brazier for your body, they go video you put am for Facebook. Ask Esther wey dey Jenny so. Egeni ya gbe black and blue. Udege, ona je fese na ye na wan trailer gwo. No Egbere no una awoga it too big. He go do this one. He go keep. He go this. But me out there. He pay me say video no come out. Your own go worse. Your end for this Facebook. Hey. Now this fake account, even though I report them, I go still open another one. Fake account now. Enya wash a disgrace way. The end of the wicked is always bad, like I always said. Your end will be terrible. You will be example. You and the day now wish Beatrice of America. You people will be example of this Facebook that everybody will be referring to. You see the life of this thing now. You see as it can be. You see as it end. Una go be the example. You see, say Monica do a saga again. Apart from your useless godmother, where they fuck small boys they go. Now if I still trauma, if not my lady for not still reply now. She be don't talk say she not reply to anybody again. Like now you feel they do she ignore you. Few days ago you still come and they insult your husband, they insult your household. When you hear we shoplift, when other for no way that in the when other for my team wa, when other for my team wa, me no your hand. I'm a small boy, we know. I'm a young lady. My husband is also a young man. My don't want it. Or one man we buy house here. I say we buy house here. Remember me you tie. I'm proud of myself because we work for it. We buy house here. We do for Nigeria also. Not the only Benin we do put. One call they use yourself, they come like now. You will see me now say because I didn't know they like to they wear all those native like that. They wear on once in a while. Like they go on English. I mean, friends, you see me. Now me people they talk say they phone. I know they phone. Now maybe the person where be say, I know they phone, but I know they give people confidence. They always say, before I go give confidence, I know they give people chance to know me. I know they give. You understand me? They all could because but I they great. If I see my head, I will see what does my wallet. I must bend my leg to say the must to good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. But I respect both. Now they reach. As I been here respecting yourself because I know they follow that they do. They'll say the girl they phone, they do like Oyibo. You know, for example, Nigeria, they be like all those fresh country people. They be like all those fresh country people. No, now what in my eyes see. Within my eyes, see, now learn my lesson. People like you now. Well, when I say, we know who are, koko de, we know who are. We know who are. Ya ye mi me na we do who da o ganya we no ma ya gia say you are we say where the toilet there ma woman no me no big me no ma no day ma no me and my husband he ma day a full palace when we ask people they mad he ma big konwa apartment. Now we get our key to enter. No be apartment. We say you can say this one go come, this one go. No, equal one madewa or equal one with a big land. Wa bell. Wa we no do. Nigeria me ha. Nigeria me ha. I'm talking about European. Wa biki. Wobi no mama. We agbuze belita. Wa re la video wa. A good one, I don't see a visitor adults when they use my cup to give the water and a plastic cup. You can never use my cup. Yet you want to hear a plastic cup. Even when imagine yourself in Europe, most of us will use plastic cup because with other countries there because a visitor a wasted copy I may be poor of anything a wasted copy once they use and you throw in to prevent sickness, to prevent many things. You are like video now wa si ni mi e pe o wa gbohun yin agbe wa yo boya fún ni wiwe. Very dirty pig. Useless and no well na o ma do to na ibe do you gbon ya samen we. Ni so na we mese be no wa gba awe fi kpu ni fo ya wata mereze dare manage che be no wa ya gba na awe kpu ni wari aki opa wari does be therefore cause any son na we mese ni ogba ama we. When watching live video, if I put food for table now, I don't feel wash you. If sometimes if I wash your stupidity where some page they share. After you don't fool yourself in it, don't come they cut and they share. If I wash them, once I see I won't eat, I don't be near there. Oh, see you. Agbiun ba gbiun wo owo wa ni emi e won yan fun re galari be na galari be o ye ipe o ga jeji si o hai yan gele kan o ma ne ma no mama ma ne ma o mo nu se kono ma so pa se va uye dagbon ya won no bi gbo uye dagbon ya fe ya won no bi gbo ya we ya mo drugging see as your life can't end up now nothing for house nothing for here maybe the Igbo man the frustrated Igbo man maybe if he do awa o Igbo lo ga man no che omo pawe biere wa yi won mo re omo se omo dey important but at the end I know I just say Michael Ewujema. Why me woman or man with marriage? Oh, this woman, I don't want to introduce, I don't want to talk. Na gwale nene. Marriage no da fun ma unu igba we marriage igba iwo wa iwu we cut iwu we church igba and igba ni small celebration our big one owe cut no ro ni ma hate ma ba wa me ma hate we feri but the way we go ya la we were forced to do it big igba ma we marriage oh wow ke church yo ke court igba mama you understand me Ogo wanoro, ogo na ramu go man owa. And the white wedding. Imana mana we cut. When on that phone, my vigor, you talk about where will you marry me? When on that phone, my anything because but it's a shame, eh? We are the way who do I go and go and her. Not when shall empty vessels waiting because you show all over you say you have nothing to lose, you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose. That's why you are doing all those things. When we frustrating them. I looked at me and not go late. When we frustrating them because women in one losing. Because the way you were even saying it, you're wearing it, because who are we don't know my name. Where everyone can say for where I did for year. For where I did for year. You get one useless man where you keep person. You keep person finish, they give her 20 years, or be 30 years, then they give her. After you don't spend 20 years, the family of the girl, they wait. Now, because my girl keep, then wait. You don't spend the 20 years finish, already know journey. After 20 years for a year, maybe if you remain small, if you remain like 4 years or 4 years, maybe say you won't finish your sentence. They'll come, they allow you to pay visit to house once in a month. The day where you don't reach to come, they pay visit, the day where they give them permission to come pay visit. Now that day, that day they end the life. But nobody know kill them. But people, police themselves, they suspect say now the family of the girl where he kill, now he kill. But they not see, they not who they want point. Everybody, this one come and say, I dey with my friends, I go club. The other one say I dey with who they want come. Oh, but at the end, you dey channel the wooduri. What's not the way? So your threatening, you will use your head carrier. Now this short message I want. It was said now yesterday I the one called the way I did vex yesterday. So it was said now yesterday I do this video. If for hot pass this one, because me and the person be say, if I did vex, you go anywhere video now. Need deal with it. But see, I said this I no see chance. Now let me be the talk to you like this. It was said now yesterday. Oh. I beg my people. Una good night. Have a good evening. Spend your quality time with your loved ones, not be all this useless and naughty snake friends where they so I know say some good ones still there, but within my eye I don't see. I beg you, Inyoma, me want Inyoma. But August say, no matter where you chuchu mama balu go na, mama balu go, I not fit. Me want Inyoma, it me really say asile mo boss le mo we, but say where na. I not fit chat. I don't want to hear the story that touched the bomb. So have a nice day. Bye everyone. Bye.